In this video, we'll go over deapcoin. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 900 XLM coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, deapcoin to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on August the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is deapcoin? The digital entertainment asset PTE Ltd, headquartered in Singapore, has initiated the DEA project, blockchain-based NFT DeFi platform featuring NFTs, games, and various other forms of entertainment. The main usage of the utility token DEA coin is used in NFT marketplace by DEP to purchase NFTs, ERC of 721, to enhance gameplay within the platform. The platform aims to address a problem to IPs/copyrights for the secondary market transaction of individual artwork. The portion of the sales will be rewarded as royalty to the original creators eternally. The company launched the platform of Play Mining, where users can enjoy playing games, reading manga for free, and earn DEP cryptocurrency. Currently there are over 1 million registered users and growing exponentially. Majority of users are from Indonesia, Vietnam, Philippines, and Taiwan. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. The co-founders met and started the project to change the current anime and manga industry, to protect royalties and copyrights for manga and anime artists for the secondary market. By utilizing blockchain technology, the creators are able to earn royalties forever as long as the trades of NFT are conducted. This project now employs more than 50 staff, including marketers from Hakuhodo, Netflix, Yahoo Japan, and financial institutions. According to Digital Entertainment Assets official website, many of the team members hold prizes and nominations from competitions in all over the world, like Japan national team representative finalist for the International Mathematical Olympiad in 2001, and champion of the Japan Parliament Debate Union Autumn Tournament 2014, and 5th place in the World University Debating Championship 2015. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 30 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.